welcome back to my channel Binjester. Hope you all are doing amazing. Today we are going to talk about the K-drama that proves the wedding is the start of the war, not the end of the fairy tale. Yes, I'm talking about Queen of Tears. This drama has become a phenomenon और इसकी reason है इसकी superb storytelling और high production value. So let's dive in. What exactly is the genre here? Queen of Tears is a spectacular blend of a classic K-drama genre called a chaebol drama. The big family business sagas mixed with a heavy dose of melodramas, romance or situational comedy. It's written by Park Ji-yoon, the mastermind behind hits like Crash Landing on You, so you know the stakes will be high and the chemistry will be intense. और आपकी आंखों में आंसू जरूर आएंगे. Basically, it's a big, beautiful, emotional roller coaster ride set against the backdrop of unimaginable wealth. The series begins with a high-profile but an incredibly dysfunctional couple. Hong Hae-in, which is played by Kim Ji-won, the powerful chaebol heiress of Queen's Group, और उनके husband Baek Hyun-woo, who is a brilliant lawyer from a rural background, which is played by Kim So-hyun. इनकी लव मैरिज हुई थी पर 3 साल बाद their relationship is completely broken. Hyun-woo is suffocated by his life as the son-in-law of this rich family and their marriage is cold, distant और सिर्फ नाम की रह गई है. The story starts with Hyun-woo desperately wanting a divorce, feeling this marriage has drained all his happiness. But just when he's about to break free, a sudden major crisis hits the couple, forcing them to spend time together once again. This crisis, combined with an intense corporate takeover conspiracy against the Queen's families, forces Hyun-woo to put his divorce plans on hold and stand by his wife. The core question of the drama is, can love be miraculously reborn when a marriage is already dead? अब बात करते हैं इस ड्रामा की जान, इनकी परफॉर्मेंसेस की. तो बेक ह्यून-वू की जो एक्टिंग है, especially the way he transitions from a henpecked frustrated husband to a man rediscovering his love is phenomenal. His famous crying scenes are truly masterclasses in emotional vulnerability. और जो होंग हेइन का कैरेक्टर है, she is the epitome of ice queen with deep hidden scars. Her portrayal is so layered, बाहर से इतना tough but emotionally fragile. Their chemistry is the absolute strongest pillar of the show. And the drama cleverly uses classic K-drama elements. It features the rich girl, poor boy trope, the in-laws and the corporate sabotage. Lekin the show gives these tropes a mature twist. Instead of this typical meet cute, it explores what happened after the happy ending and how love struggles to survive the reality of marriage and family pressures. This self-awareness makes it feel fresh and relevant. अगर हम इनकी सिनेमाटोग्राफी और थीम्स की बात करें तो जो शो है वो बहुत विजुअली स्टनिंग है. Whether it's the lavish Queen's mansion or the humble village scenes of Yeongdeuri, the cinematography is awesome. यूरोप में जो beautiful outdoor shoots हैं, they add a grand sweeping feel to the love story. It feels like watching a movie, not a TV show. The most powerful themes are the couple's entire marital crisis stems from an agonizing lack of communication after a past tragedy. Hyun-woo की journey from a man looking for an escape to a man willing to sacrifice everything for his wife is the heart of the show. Sacrifice ही तो असली प्यार है. The story is not just about the leads, it's about the dysfunctional Queen's family finally learning the value of sticking together against a common enemy. तो इस ड्रामा द वर्थ द टाइम एब्सोल्युटली 100%. क्वीन ऑफ टीयर्स एक रेयर के ड्रामा है दैट डिलीवर्स ऑन ऑल फ्रंट्स. हाई स्टेक्स ड्रामा, हार्ट फ्लटरिंग रोमांस, ब्रिलियंट एक्टिंग और सरप्राइजिंग कॉमेडी. ये एक कंप्लीट पैकेज है. इट विल मेक यू फील वेरी इमोशन पॉसिबल एंड ऑनेस्टली दैट्स व्हाट गुड टेलीविजन शुड डू. दिस ड्रामा इज अवेलेबल ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स. अगर आपने ये ड्रामा देख लिया है तो आपका फेवरेट सीन क्या था, प्लीज़ टेल इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. एंड इफ यू वांट मोर सच की ड्रामा वीडियोस, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्लीज press the bell icon. Till then, take care and keep watching dramas. Bye bye.